Hi there, come on in. Welcome to the Oasis. This brand new floor plan is part of HHHunt Homes Clarity Collection. I'm here in the flex space, which is perfect for working or learning from home, or maybe an extra bedroom. It's up to you how you use it. Let's go check out the rest of the home. Here we are in the family room. If you're looking for connectivity, places to entertain, and unique architectural design, the Oasis is the plan for you. This exquisite open concept floor plan connects the family room to the nook and the kitchen. Speaking of kitchens, wait till you see this one. Wow, look at all the cabinet space and countertops. It's so easy to see how hosting a dinner party would be an absolute breeze. But more than just dinner parties, this kitchen was well thought out for your everyday lifestyle. We connected the garage for easy access for groceries and included a large walk-in pantry. Also connected to this space is your owner's suite and a covered porch. Let's go take a look. The covered porch is perfect for relaxing in the fresh air with your favorite book. You can even add a fireplace for chilly evening nightcaps. Another option on this home is an entry to your owner's suite. Welcome to your Oasis in the Oasis. I know that may sound funny, but it's true. The owner's suite is spacious and luxurious with a large private bathroom. Also, a zero-entry walk-in shower is an option on this first floor living home. We both know that an owner's suite is not complete without a great walk-in closet, and this one is huge. Like shopping? Well, now you have the room to take advantage of all the great shopping nearby. We still have more to see. Your second bedroom also has a private bath and spacious closet. Your guests will feel right at home. You also have a laundry room, powder room, and garage. And the best part, no stairs. The Oasis offers several other very functional options. One is connecting the laundry room to your owner's suite walk-in closet. How's that for convenience? The other is an extra flex room near the main living area. We set ours up as a doggy spa. Set it up for how you live. You heard me mention early in the tour that this home is part of our Clarity Collection, and you may be wondering what that is. The Clarity Collection is a series of floor plans by HHHunt Homes offering innovative home designs for your life and your style. All of the floor plans in this collection offer easy first floor living. With the Clarity Collection, you can create experiences for how you live, no matter your age or stage of life. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. If you have any questions about this home or about HHHunt, visit us at hhhunthomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.